best time to post? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shruti. Hope you guys are doing well. So today's video will be, I think you have already seen by the title, it is what is the best time to post reel on Instagram in India. But I'll be adding normal video, normal pictures as well as reel in this video. Getting this question on my Instagram, on my DMs, also some of my friends ask face to face, and this is what actually I never had a proper answer for this, but today I have, because I have tested few things which actually worked for me, for my page, and how some of the reels went viral. So I will put all these points today. I'll cover all these points today. This will be a very small video, not more than like 6-7 minutes, because it's just a query which I am talking about, not exactly a big topic. It's just a small query in Instagram. So let's get started. Okay, first things first, why is it important to publish a post in a specific time? Why is it important? I'll tell you why. So first of all, first things first, you have to understand what your target audience is. Is he a female or is she a female? What is their age? What kind of post they are liking, what kind. So this is very important whenever you create content. Keeping your goal in mind and keeping your audience in mind, you create content calendar or content for your audience, right? So I'm talking about business perspective, not for your personal account. So after that, second thing, we have an amazing option on Instagram that is called Insight. I might put it somewhere in the screen. So if you, disclaimer first of all, you won't have this option if your account is private. If it is public professional account, you'll get this option. And why this is important in terms of growing on Instagram? Because it helps you to see who are following you. It helps you to understand what content are your followers engaging to, and what time. There is another feature I'm coming to, which is the time. When are your followers online? It is an important, very important metrics, because you would understand when your users are coming online, when your followers are coming online. Depending upon that, you can structure your content and upload at that time. So for example, if it is a Monday, people are getting active more on Monday. Just example, it's not, I'm not putting out there, it's just an example. So if it is Monday, then around like 3 p.m. most of your audiences are online. So I would suggest you posting at least 10 to 15 minutes prior to that, so that we have a window of 15 minutes wherein you can, put your hashtag, share it with your friends and all that. So in that time, that particular time, your user will come online. So the first post that comes to their Instagram account or Instagram page will be yours. So they will like it, right? So it is very important, just 10-15 minutes prior to the audience, to the time your audience is online. Secondly, Instagram, your post on Instagram is active for only 30 minutes. So you can do the magic in 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it would be you would understand for yourself. More than after 30 minutes, you will start getting very less likes. It will be only your friends or something, or your family who are coming online and just liking your post. So something like that. Also, one more thing, Instagram pushes the content for only 10% of your audience. So this is an algorithm that Instagram follows. For example, if you have 1,000 followers, it will show your post to only 10% of your audience, which is about 100. And then if that content is interactive, very good, shareable, so it actually gets pushed more to your audience. So content is very important when it comes to publishing your post. So what kind of, if it is shareable, if you have shared some tip or something, so which is beneficial for your audience, it will get pushed more to your audience, towards your audience, and you will increase your engagement. Okay, so I'll teach you how you can check your insights and see when your users are active. So just go on my profile, I'll put it on the screen. Just check out my screen and see how you can find your active users. So this is my profile. You can actually follow me if you have not followed me. So this is how it looks. And if you see an option of insight, you can see it here. And if you want to, you get insights at two places. One is here on the screen, or else you can see the three lines. You can tap on that, you will go to, you'll see insights over there as well. So you click on insights. So this is, and just go to last 30 days, because you have to understand the whole month how your audience are active on your profile. So this is how it looks like. And so this is the location, then this is the age range which people follow me. So mostly location is from Mumbai, where I used to stay. Then I used to, right now I've shifted to Bangalore. So age range is from you know, if I see, it is mostly from 18 to 35 is what my followers are from, and 25 to 35 is where the most users are following me. So this is my age range. So I'm 27, so I think most of the followers are my friends, so they are also of the same age group. Then you would understand, so I'm coming to the active users. Here you can see where your followers, when your followers are active. So if you select on days, you will understand like which day they are mostly active on. So if you see, it is from Monday to Sunday, and I think mostly my users are online most of the days. So you it's not like ek din mein bahut kam hai. So it is like every day. I cannot compare these with anything. So I think I can post every day, so I might get traction every day if I post it on the right time. Let's click on the hours. Okay, so here if you see, so mostly it is 12 p.m, 9 p.m. So we'll, as so today is Saturday, we'll click on Saturday and see. So mostly it is 12 and 9. So here is what I think. On Monday it is, on Saturday it is this, Sunday it is this. So if I post it around this time where my most audience are online, my content engagement, my engagement will be higher as compared to any other time. So this is Monday, then Monday is also good. In the evening, in 12 p.m. is also good for Monday. So I think that would really work for me. So just check your insights and see what time, what day your users are active, and post it at least 10-15 minutes before that, so that whenever they come online, they'll like your post and your engagement will be more than any other time. So that is what my tip is. So I would recommend, so this is my tip guys, so please do follow and let me know in the comment section if this works for you. So what has worked for me, I'll tell you. Just create a small Excel. I might share it on the screen here. So just create an Excel wherein you just go to your insight, you just see from Monday to Sunday on which day your users are mostly online. So if you get, you know, Monday, Tuesday, maybe some alternate days, Saturday, Sunday, so write it down and just see on that day what time does your audience come online, your followers come online. Just select that. So maybe you can select like 3 to 4. Okay, so it will be like, for example, I might put 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, something like that. So once I put that, from that week or from the next week, from Monday onwards, you start uploading the post as per the time given. So it will be Monday 3 o'clock, Tuesday maybe 6 o'clock, Wednesday, Friday might be 9 o'clock, Saturday maybe 10 o'clock. So just upload that post and test it for yourself, what kind of post does what timing works for you, because it is completely different for everyone. So this is what has worked for me. On Monday 3 o'clock I don't get that much of engagement, so you just put whatever engagement you got on the screen, on the sheet. On Tuesday, on 6 o'clock, what kind of engagement you're getting. On Saturday 9 o'clock, what kind of engagement you're getting, and on Friday maybe on 10 o'clock, what engagement you are getting. So just jot it down for the first week. Again on the second week, I know it will be a hectic work, but if you want to grow guys, you have to test, because Instagram is all about testing. You have to understand your own page, your own account, and create content and post it accordingly. So next week again on the same day, just see what kind of engagement, is the engagement increasing or decreasing. So you would understand what day and what time would work for your post. So maybe on Saturday 10 o'clock is the best time you're getting engagement, so keep posting around 10 every Saturday if you are posting once a week. And if you have seen the engagement is increasing, maybe on Monday, maybe on Friday, maybe on, so all these 4 days you can upload it in that time and see if it grows further, and if it is, then that time is the best time for you guys to upload it. I will tell what time works for me. For reels, I'll tell you, if I post it in the morning, there's no engagement. I think not even my friends who follow me even get on their feed, because I don't know why they might not come online on morning or something like that, or Instagram doesn't pushes my content to their page, I mean to their account in the morning. I don't know, but I've seen my engagement growing in the evening around like 5:30 and amazingly going viral around 7:30. So I make sure I upload it around 7:30 and it goes more than 3k 4k views on my reels. So why I put reels on my personal and my professional account, because I want to understand the algorithm and how does that work. Putting, you know, good music is very important in reel, so any trending music works. So just try this and let me know what is the best time for you guys. Put it in the comment section. I would love to hear from you, and I hope this video helps. Just try putting reels around evening. Like most accounts, see, I handle around 10-15 accounts of Instagram, so I've seen most audience come online around like 7 to 9 is the best time I think you can post. I'm just giving my suggestion because I've seen it in 10 different accounts. It is mostly 9 to 10, and early 9 o'clock I don't think so anyone would love to post, or just people get up and, you know, they just see Instagram, so maybe that would also work. I would suggest going from 7 to 9 is the best time which you can post. Again, depends upon your insight. Just check once. If that works for you, shoot your post there, and I think that will help you guys to increase your engagement. So I think that's about it for this video. I hope you guys have liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I'll come up with more videos. Bye for now.